Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for more information about that can be found up here in the corner. So on the Aussie dollar, I still believe this is going to go up and make an ABC. I think this is actually an ABC of W, an ABC of X, and most likely an ABC of Y. So the triple three pattern, and most likely that will go up and take out the high of wave 4, maybe go up to the 78 or even the 100% Fibonacci extension. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame is where you can start to see the structure of this uptrend. What looks like a wave A. It does look like we already have 3 waves down right here. We're not really touching that Fibonacci level, but sometimes Fibonacci does not get hit. I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to start trending up to make that wave C, just like what I was showing on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see a nice downtrend right here. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. This looks like an A. This looks like 3 waves down for the B, and this is most likely a C. So an A, B, C, of B. Then we have what looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, and an impulsive move up with a break of structure. I think there's a very good likelihood we've already ended this wave C, and that this is just going to end up continuing the uptrend, making that pattern I was showing on the longer time frames. So keeping all this in mind, let's head down to the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame is where you can see this trend looks like a 1, ABC of 2, 3, ABC of 4, and 5. Big impulsive move up, break of structure. As you can see, that break of structure should prove to us that this downtrend is over. If that downtrend is over, then that means that the wave C of wave B should be complete. And that also means that this move down is probably going to be a correction. Now we have FOMC news coming out, federal funds rate news coming out later today. So if this is in a corrective state, and I am going to say that the news is very, very likely to cause an impulsive move up and the continuation of the uptrend. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we're looking for like a 3 way pattern. This to me looks a little bit too much like a trend, almost like an A. So it probably is going to make some sort of an ABC shape between now and when the news comes out in about 8 hours from now. So if you see some sort of a 3 way pattern later on when the news is about to come out, usually the press conference is when the big move actually happens. So if you see something like this, then I would say that the news is very, very likely to cause an impulsive move up, the end of a correction, and the continuation of the uptrend to make that big pattern like I was showing on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.